Dude, this is vlogging, dude. This is real life, capturing real life. Don't be ashamed, you look like shit. The LA somewhere, maybe not in the middle, but in LA. We're looking for Colby West somewhere. And the dark side is that when you sleep in a van in LA, there's no way to go to the toilet.
Really dark.
It is so dark. I've been driving like 16 hours yesterday. Slept like 4 hours right now. Sick as fuck.
What's up?
What up?
Jesus! Man. How's it
Yeah.
going?
We made it. This is Simon. That's Colby.
Welcome to Mimosa.
Clean out my garage.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that like if you're not gonna clean this shit up, we're leaving. Straight away. It's a rookie life. Rookie move. Dude, that fucking hurts. Come on.
Sailing.
We're on a Casey's boat.
He's a sailor. He sails now.
Yeah.
Way
We're
across the water.
sailor. We're pirates right now.
This is Pegasus. Belly of the beast. Hey,
This
good
is
morning.
Casey. Finally meet up with the homie.
Woo!
Casey's boat.
Welcome to Pegasus.
And this guy is interested in our cute little rape van. So after a while we're gonna just check it out with him and see what he thinks about it.
First, you got to take a tour of Pegasus. This is the tour of Pegasus. Welcome. Currently, you guys are in the cockpit, sometimes called the Moroccan Chill Lounge area, but that's got to be in the right setup. Currently, it's just the cockpit.
Just the cockpit.
Chilling. Come on down. I'll show you
Okay, let's just come down and check out the other parts of the boat.
Now you're entering the belly of the beast.
The belly of the beast.
This here's the galley. There's beer in the fridge. Help yourself. Or in the icebox.
There is a beer. Can I take one?
You can have whatever you want.
Dude!
Oh, that's the ginger beer.
I don't. Is
There's
there
like real beer in that icebox there under those paper towels.
beer? Simon,
Yes.
do you want to have a beer?
Yes.
Yes, please. Yes.
Thank you.
Casey, you fine?
I'm good right now, thanks, buddy.
Colby is fine.
Hope he's fine.
You want to have a beer? Or what? No. Jesus, Americans. Okay, let's continue the tour. I'm sorry for the interruption.
Oh, no worries, no worries. This here's the luxury lounge.
Luxury round.
Luxury lounge. Sometimes there's a table under here. It can be business bistro. Business
For
bistro.
business meetings and stuff.
Yeah,
like that?
so that can just go fuck right off.
Understandable.
When the table's all the way up, a lot of space. It's party parlor. This here is Madagascar, formerly known as the Peninsula. This is the stabbing cabin up here.
Stabbing
That's where
cabin.
the magic happens.
Does it actually means what I think it means?
Yeah, of course.
Stabbing cabin.
That's where you get your stab on. This is the baño here if you need to use it. Don't flush any tampons. Condoms.
Oh, I almost flushed the tampon, but I'm glad you said that.
That's pretty much the tour of Pegasus.
You should say that it's kind of messy here because of what happened yesterday. You almost died.
We just got back from a 4-day sailing adventure, and so the boat is a shit show right now. And on our sail home, we lost our head stay, which means the top cable coming from the top of the mast to the front of the boat snapped, and we almost lost the mast. And this was 1 hour into our 7-hour sail. So
They almost flipped around.
things are kind of a disaster right now. Don't mind the
But I
mess.
still like it though. I think.
Thanks, I do too.
Pegasus looked like a nice guy.
She's a trusty steed, I'll tell you what.
So what's happening right now is we have Casey here is a stuntman. He do crazy stunts for movies, and he just got like a text that he can audition for a special role or whatever. That's what we're doing here right now. We're preparing like the bike. Simon and I, we're gonna be girls talking to each other. One of us is supposed to be a beautiful girl. Casey's just gonna drive around on his bike, crashes into a pile of shit, and says, "Oh my God, are you a model or what?" And he's gonna say, "No, am I a great insect creature or what?"
That's how LA works, right?
Yeah, bro, you just like go to LA and suddenly you're in a Hollywood movie, bro.
And they're talking, and then I go through, yeah, and then as I crash, you get my crash, and then you come out and you're on me saying my lines to them.
Yeah.
And you don't have to be back on them. You can just probably stay on me the whole time.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna limp off.
Okay.
And that'll be that. Okay. So
Got your lines down?
Nope.
here's your script.
Get in
You're
this.
gonna be Nalini, and you're Kamala.
Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm an engineer at Caltech. I could never be a model. What's this word? Curvaceous?
Curvaceous.
Curvaceous.
Which means you got a real curvy figure. You're not curvaceous.
I'm just too curvaceous.
And then let me see what my next line is. And then I say, I know this sounds crazy, but would you ever consider, and when I say that line, consider you cut me off and go, hey, keep it moving, buddy. Take your broke ass bike and get out of there.
Yeah, like that. 3, 2, 1. Good. Good. Don't be so rude to your cousin.
Oh, I'm not that beautiful.
Sorry. Are you a model?
Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm an engineer at Caltech. I could never be a model. I'm too curvaceous.
This sounds crazy, but would you ever consider maybe,
Yo, bro, just like get your broken ass bike off and off of this place. You I hate you, dude. Let Nalini go, or Camila.
yeah, so you gotta cut me off on that line when I'm like, hey, would you ever consider...
Okay.
Ready, Casey?
Ready.
Action.
Debbie, don't be so rude to your beautiful cousin.
Oh, I'm not that beautiful.
Oh, way to go. Sorry. Are you a model?
Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm an engineer at Caltech. I could never be a model. I'm too curvaceous.
This sounds crazy, but...
Hey, yo, keep it moving, bro. Take your broke ass bike and get the hell out of here, bro. Get the hell out of here. Right now. We're at airport right now, and that's, believe it or not, where Casey lives, in a hangar full of his toys. That's where we're going right now. Look at all these cool airplanes here. Can you see anything of those?
Yep.
God damn. This is the first time I'm driving a car on the airport. GTA, that would have been 5 stars. 5 stars already. Oh, the World War II airplane. God damn. Is that his part? It's opening right now. Whoa, my God. Is that like the coolest place I've ever seen?
Get
Your
there.
crib?
Yeah, that's my crib.
Fuck! Oh my God. Limo.
She is.
This is like the probably most straight car I've ever seen. It looks like it came out of a production like 5 minutes ago.
No,
Is it yours?
Yeah. My dad's. He bought it in the 70s, and then we started restoring it.
The bed?
Come on, bro.
is beautiful. Jeez, look at the bed, the wood.
Yeah, this is walnut, this is zebra wood, and this is purple heart.
Dude, the level of detail of this car is unbelievable.
You like this exhaust mess?
Yeah. The Wildcat's doing that too.
Yep. We haven't been started in a while, so.
Dude. So what's the name of the pickup truck?
That's the 53.
It's the 53?
The 53.
I like the
It's a
53.
1953 5-window Chevy. And it's been in my family for 43 years.
This thing is beautiful. One more time. Oh my goodness. This thing is beautiful.
This is the limo here. This is the 1986 Cadillac limousine. It's my dream car.
The good old limo. The good old limo is long ass.
Yeah, check it out, dude.
Can you take that for me, please? Dude, this thing is long. Yeah, I like the matte black color of that.
So we got, it's got like soft velour interior instead of leather.
Let's get in the limo.
It's like a whipped cream fight took place in here.
Dude! Oh, it's got disco ball.
Disco balls, TV, old tube TV. It's got this like champagne thing, but the lid's a little chopped up.
Oh, guess why? I don't
1986, you
I
know?
don't understand that.
Things went down in the 80s.
Dude, that's one of the better pieces of the character of the car though.
Oh,
Like
for
these
sure.
these little things makes the car.
Totally. Got a little ice chest here. Another mirror. It's probably harder to do drugs off that mirror though.
Well, I bet nothing's impossible though.
I want.
So it's like 8 miles per gallon.
Pretty much. It's not great.
That sucks.
Got a 5.0 in it. Yeah, it's the limo.
The door lock.
All about the details.
Dude, I have the 8 balls.
Oh, really nice. Nice in the mirror. It's all about.
Oh, I have exactly
about
the
the
same.
details.
I don't know, like, do you know what's the story of these guys? I know it's just like the
It's
biggest
like Vegas,
cliche
casino,
ever.
gambler,
Like you're a
mobster.
gamer, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of
Rat
like
pack,
why I have the
you know?
8-ball door lock now. It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you know, like I'm
Yeah.
a
Pool, smoking cigarettes,
baller,
playing pool.
dude.
Exactly.
Baller.
Yeah.
Chop for the.
These are
50.
some old movie lights from the 1930s.
Just living the dream. You know, like, this is like a tour
Like a
around
museum.
my future spot where I'm gonna be living one day.
I just got this from a buddy. This is a homemade one-man helicopter built in 1951 by some French guy. And I don't think it ever flew. He claims it did, I doubt it. This is like a bicycle seat. And then you put it on like a backpack.
Could I get in and try?
Yeah. It doesn't start, and you got a little throttle here.
Oh, it has an engine. I thought you.
Yeah.
I thought
This
it's like
is just, and this is a stand. This is an aftermarket stand. So really, it's just this thing. You know, like, yeah, this comes out of here. Loosen this up, and it's literally just more. You get the idea.
Yeah.
But you wear it like a backpack,
like a
and then you turn it on.
engine backpack pretty much.
Yeah.
Do you actually think it's blue?
No. They
There's no
claim it
way
did.
this piece of shit can fly.
I highly doubt it. These things will fly off. This is like an old boat propeller, old rudder. There's no way.
There's no way this is flying ever.
This flies.
This looks like it's flying.
The sugar glider.
Sugar glider,
This
dude.
is the 1964 Piper Cherry 35.
Was it used for drag trafficking?
Maybe. Pretty fun.
Dude, this is.
Got a 540 cubic inch motor.
That's a little bigger than the Wildcat.
Yeah, the cylinders are like that big around.
I'm bummed that we couldn't fly this thing.
Wow.
Dude, this thing looks like new.
Well, so when I bought it, from here up was a like chameleon green that like changed in the light. So we stripped all the paint off and then polished the aluminum underneath to give it that
like
old school look. You know, yeah.
I like that.
And then painted this is like it's Rolls Royce blue. It's a super dark blue there, and on the wingtips and the cowl.
expensive toy though. But we're getting there. We're getting there at some point.
There's my shop, which is a mess, but this is where I build my things and built all this and work on my shit. This is an old school iMac computer. Remember this guy?
Yeah. Cool, right?
Catalina. I've water skied on these out of Catalina.
No way. Oh, I mean you have to because of the name.
I like wood, so I used to make wooden skateboards. So I made the bed of the truck out of the same kind of wood that's, you know, in all these. I like wood.
Men are genius.
Yeah, if you guys need to rinse off in the shower.
I'll be definitely hyped. That's what we're gonna have to do. Like after we're done with the MTV Cribs, we're gonna have to like put all the shit off the van, get ourselves a little cleanup, pack the shit, and then we're heading out to the airport. How are we supposed to leave a place like this? Honestly,
It's under construction still, but it's my hangout spot. All this stuff is thrift stores and Simon stores. I like weird vintage shit. Got this piano thrift store. Disco ball from Amazon. Never have too many disco balls.
disco ball, so
A old wooden boat, Chris Craft, kind of like that. This is a Riva, it's an Italian boat, but I have a wooden Chris Craft, like full size, that I'm gonna cut up, put it right here. It's gonna be a bar. So like the bow of the boat's gonna be here with the windshield, and then you'll sit down this side, and then back here's the bar. And then I'm gonna put the back half of the boat hanging out here like a couch, the back of the boat. Yeah, there's a little crash pad in here, you know? For crashing.
for crashing. Good for crashing.
Yeah.
Is that a stabbing cabin?
This is a stabbing cabin.
Number 2.
That's it.
So
Done, you know.
Seriously, fuck you. Like, this is like, I wouldn't even dream about a place like this. This is perfect. Like, too perfect. The only thing what's missing is a chopper, baby.
That's my chopper.
Yeah, that
Oh,
is
it's like chopper.
It's like a chopper,
Yeah, yeah,
chopper.
yeah. I sold
like
mine.
Zet's chopper.
Yeah, it did. I sold all my motorcycles.
Dude,
I've just got
mean,
Sprees. I got Honda Sprees.
yeah, that's true though.
Yep.
I mean, I can imagine life without a motorcycle with a place like this.
Yeah.
This is unreal, man.
And you build this whole thing.
Yeah.
Dude. And you know what's the best part? And right now, our little rape van.
It's all a rape van in America.
Is it not cool?
The right time.
Okay, let's call it a happy van.
There you go.
It's so then
Party van, the fun machine.
the happy van's gonna
Happy van.
be part of this family, I guess. Dude, I'm emotionally disturbed by this place.
We got.
So what I was thinking with the van could work as you're gonna buy your way in for the 1500, then Simon's out and I'm still in, and then you can use it for the Burning Man. See what the car is up, if it's really like as good as it seems seems like. Because like so far we drove it super like shit tons of kilometers and like there wasn't a single issue with that.
Oh, cool.
Just like besides like those little tiny things. And then if you have some homie like who's like actual like mechanic or something, he can like check it out a little bit, just like take a look at the engine and shit.
For sure.
And if it's actually as good as it seems to be,
Yeah.
I'm really down like to keep it and give it some TLC. Then we should probably talk about like what does it mean, like where we should keep the van or something.
Yeah. Okay.
Or if we can like maybe
Yeah.
borrow it to homies or something.
Yeah.
Or if there will be some other use for it. Or if it's gonna be worth, like to give it just like tiny little TLC and like send it over to somebody else.
Sure. I'm down with that. Before I take it anywhere, it needs new tires all the way around.
The
new tires.
It drives. We should like give it a lap right now once we're gonna put our shit off.
Yeah.
The van.
Cool.
Okay, so that's pretty much what I do right now.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's it.
Cool, man. Dig it.
Dig it. Okay, Simon. It's time.
Time to say goodbye.
It's time to say goodbye, though. It's time for us to unload the van, get all our shit, pack it properly, nicely for the airplane.
And put it back together.
And put it back together, and it's time to let go, bro. So let's do this. That's it. Lock and loaded. Ready to go to the airport. Oh god, this is a sad moment though, but there's another adventure coming. This guy.
Don't forget your flag.
Oh damn, we cannot forget. This guy's stoked.
Yeah! New van. Play us a little number. It's on the guitar.
That was it. The last symphony.
This is it.
Oh damn, bro.
Well, cheers. Thanks for the van.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for taking care of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll film you driving away with this beauty.
Yeah.
Fun. Let me know if that thing doesn't make it through.
Okay, yeah, I will.
Maybe you can put it in Lost and Found. I can come back for it.
Good.
But I think they'll let you get it, huh?
I hope so.
Yeah.
You got a pretty kick-ass wine though.
Huh?
Woo!
Right on.
See you, bud. Take care.
Have a good
Say
trip.
hi to Colby.
Thank you.